Hey there, Silver Stacking Capybara here. Hope you're doing well today. I've got an unboxing video. Uh, this one is from Bold Precious Metals. This one is from the Scottsdale Mint. And this one is my first order from Monument Metals. So let's see what's inside. We'll start with the Monument Metals box. Sorry I'm so slow at this. Alright. Finally, I got it. I didn't order a full roll of Franklin half dollars. I ordered 4 of them. So I'm going to order a full roll in the future. But here are a couple of them. I can get them out. Bring them up to the camera. I will set these aside. Hope to order a full roll of those really soon. Next we have the Scottsdale Mint package. I only ordered one item from Scottsdale Mint this time. It is a coin wrapped. Here's a coin wrapped in bubble wrap, and see if I can get it out of the bag. Right. Coin encapsulated. Here is a Fiji iguana. I saw this. It's a 2015 coin, and I saw this on Scottsdale Mint's website, and I thought that it had so much great detail. It just, I thought I had to have this. So, see if I can bring it a little closer. Show some of the detail. Very nice. The only thing that would have made this coin better was that if it was in color, it showed some of the green or the green bands that the Fiji iguana has. But still good as it is. Just an interesting little creature. So let's set this aside. That one's from Scottsdale Mint. And the final one, this one's from Bold Precious Metals. Intentionally saved this for last. Alright, I ordered some American Silver Eagles with random dates. Let's see what dates they have. So I love these coins. Premiums are a bit high, so I don't get them very often. But it is part of my collecting strategy, stacking strategy, rather. Let's see what dates we have for these. This one is a 2016. That one's a 2016. Wonder if they'll all be 2016s. That one is 2016. And I bet the last one will be a 2016 as well. It is, all 2016 coins. Oh yeah, this is great. And I have 16 other, what's significant about this too, there's only 4 coins I ordered, but I already have 16 American Silver Eagles in a tube, and these 4 will make 20, so I will now have a full tube, my first full tube of American Silver Eagles. So that's something for me to celebrate. Alright, let me know what you think. Post any comments and suggestions or anything, and hopefully I'll have another video in a few days. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.